do your homework? Okay, good. Then, if that's the case, we can talk with another topic, yeah. Which one of you sides with US or Israel? Which one of you sides with Iran? Okay, good. You don't side with any of them? Ya, seperti yang sudah saya sampaikan bahwa saya mengajar bahasa Inggris ya karena tidak ada dosen dari Fakultas Sastra ya yang cukup banyak untuk mengampus semua kelas, sehingga di kampus itu mereka yang dianggap bisa gitu diminta untuk mengajar. I'm not an expert in English. Maybe some of you will have more lebih banyak kemampuannya lah ya. Nah, we will practice the exercise at the end of this course, at the end of this lessons today. The reason why I will talk about this topic is this morning I read a post from one of my best friend from junior high school, and postingnya panjang ya. Kemudian terkait dengan perang Israel dan Amerika, Israel dan Iran lah ya. And there was an incident this morning in front of my house that I have to tell you that you have to learn about manners, about etiquettes, about respect to others ya. Jadi percuma saja Anda punya otak cemerlang gitu, walaupun tidak ada otak cemerlang. Tahu dari mana kita tahu seseorang otaknya cemerlang? Kan di bawah tengkorak ya. Itu satu kiasan bright people. Yeah, my wife went to Bandung. Yeah, while we prepared this morning, there was a taxi, and then after he arrived, maybe 1 minute later, there was another car. Jadi ada mobil yang lain. Yeah. Kemudian dia klakson dong. Nah, it's not a courtesy tap. In US or maybe in European countries, there is a terminology, courtesy tap. Courtesy tap means you honk politely. Jadi Anda klakson pelan-pelan, nip gitu. As a message, thank you or please, it's already green. Go ahead, ya, seperti itulah. Bukan sesuatu yang pelampiasan. Karena Anda punya masalah dengan survei terestris gitu, kemudian ada kesempatan, kemudian melampiaskan. Tidak seperti itu. I'm a very patient man. Ya, saya orang yang sangat sabar. Tapi once somebody goes beyond the threshold, goes beyond the line, tanduk saya keluar ya, tanduk setannya keluar. Ini kalah kemarin. Saya misu-misu langsung. Kenapa harus klakson? Sabar saja Bu, ini lagi parkir. Kemudian saya dengan gestur saya persilahkan, silahkan. Tapi, but the driver, I think he was surprised, about that incident. He could not think brightly, ya. Jadi parkir nabrak tong sampah walaupun plastik gitu ya. Kemudian, wah, pokoknya lama lah, 2 menit mungkin. Pak, minggir dulu supaya biar itu mobilnya yang lewat. Kemudian saya pindah ke sana sambil saya perhatikan yang menyetirnya. I tried to discuss more with her, ya. I wanted to know her response, but he didn't open the window. That's not polite, ya. That's not manner, ya. Tidak beradab. Apalagi kejadiannya di lingkungan warga. It's our neighbor. Let them do their work or their needs, ya. Jadi ketika misalnya kita pulang nih ke rumah, kemudian ada mobil parkir, ya tunggu saja. And don't be too close. If you are too close, it means you are intimidating. Ya, jadi kalau Anda nyetir, kemudian ada mobil di belakang, ya, Pajero gitu, Innova, apalagi Fortuner, mepet gitu. It's not polite. And this behavior, I think it's become common. Jadi menjadi umum, ya. Bahkan seseorang yang mau ke masjid saja, saya ada orang di dekat Al-Azhar itu kan, di Al-Azhar kan banyak kos-kosan bagus, ya, kos-kos borju kan, ya, mereka punya mobil untuk parkir. Saya tidak tahu apakah dia mau belok kiri atau mau belok kanan atau mau masih maju lagi, kan, nunggu. And the one behind me, he push the horn. Then okay. Then we went, and then I saw the car went to the mosque. Padahal belum juga azan gitu, belum juga ini, kenapa harus klakson? Dan it's normal. They think it's normal, but it's not normal. Because everyone have their authority, have their lines, including Iran. Yeah. US and Israel said that we attack Iran because their government is a tyrant. Karena pemerintahan mereka adalah tirani, zalim terhadap rakyatnya. So what? Yeah. Do they have the right to attack Iran because their leaders, they are treating their people unfairly, tidak adil begitu? Yeah. And some of us Indonesian people, no, we side to US because Iran is Syiah. It's not Sunni, it's not Muslim. If we think Syiah is kafir according to Muslim, and how about US and Israel? They are kafir, but they are human being. Ya, mereka manusia. Ya, once we see, for example, a robbery in front of us, kita melihat satu perampokan di toko emas misalnya. Oh no, they are not Muslim. We don't do that. That's not the Islamic ajaran Islam, ya, bukan ajaran Islam. Yeah. Because justice goes beyond the religion. Jadi keadilan itu tidak ada hubungannya dengan agama. This is important, yeah, because I have to say this, yeah, because some of my friend, yeah, he triggered me, yeah, because all of us we keep silence because of something going on. We think that it's not our problem, but it is our problem. If we ignore this, then we are not Pancasilais. Kita bukan Pancasilais. NKRI harga mati, bullshit ya. Hanya kalau ada satu lagu kan ya, jangan apa? Jangan katakan cinta kalau hanya di bibir saja. Ya, tahu kan lagu itu ya? Cari saja, jangan. Saya tahunya yang tahu Balawan. Nggak tahu Balawan ya, Anda beda generasi. Ya, jadi di dalam Islam kita bukan hanya niat gitu, bukan hanya di dalam hati, tapi juga diucapkan, juga dilakukan. So it means we are against tyranny, but we are against this annexation, this invasion. And they said the Islamic leaders in Iran, they killed their people. What does Netanyahu do in Gaza? Even our president, he sides with this one. So I have to convey this message because you are still learning, you are a college student, you want to be a good GIS expert or remote sensing expert or surface terrestrial expert. We don't know what will happen in the future. And I have to say this because I believe that all of you are bright students. You know what's right, what's wrong. Anda tahu apa yang benar, apa yang salah. Dan you have to be brave. Jadi kalau misalnya, jadi kayak tadi ya, walaupun yang punya mobil itu anaknya presiden, peduli amat, ya, because he crossed the lines, she crossed the line, melewati batas, and we have to remind someone who crossed the line, and after that, ya sudah gitu. Jadi jangan sampai begitu ya. So, who sides with Iran now? Siapa yang sekarang berpihak kepada Iran? Kalau saya berpihak, ya. Walaupun secara akidah tidak tahu ya. Katanya kan ada macam-macam ya, ada yang menjelek-jelekan sahabat dan sebagainya. Tapi mereka human being, their sovereignty has been tidak dianggap gitu ya. Saya lupa. It's been ignored by the US, by Israelis. So the message is for us, okay, that's outside of our territory. But we interact with people, yeah. We interact with people. We have to respect their lines, their border. Although you are son of the king MU. Okay. That's